open to the public. So just this portion of your case will be open to the public. Do not give out any confidential information while we're recording. And I've turned on a recording to the cloud as well. Today's date is September 13th, 2021. In Gray County, Texas, I call cause number 39893 in the interest of Taylor Ray Hathcote. What says the state?
State's ready, Your Honor.
Also present by telephone is Abby Hathcote. Are you ready, Ms. Hathcote?
Yes, ma'am.
Present in person or by audio and video is Warren McClendon. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And he's represented by his attorney, Mr. Pirtle. Are you ready, Mr. Pirtle?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Estrada, do you want to announce the agreement?
Certainly, Your Honor. The parties have reached an agreement for temporary orders, and we will need to get a final order date from the court following the announcement. But the parties have agreed to be designated as joint managing conservators of the child, Taylor Ray Hathcote. They have agreed to a modified standard possession order where Mr. McClendon will pick up the child on the first, third, fifth Friday after school at the school, and then return the child to Ms. Hathcote's residence, or actually return the child at 6 o'clock the following Sunday, where they will meet in Panhandle at the SEFCO, which is midway between their residences.
Okay.
And for the purpose of the temporary orders, there will be no Thursday visitation. They've also agreed that guideline child support will be set at $276 a month and medical support at $25 a month starting October 1st, 2021. Ms. Hathcote will maintain enrollment of the child in a government-sponsored medical assistance program. And the parties have also agreed to utilize the app Close co-parenting app. And I believe that—
Which app, please?
It's called APP Close, CLOSE. And I believe Ms. Hathcote has already downloaded it. And the parties have agreed that and I'm not sure about Mr. McClendon, but they've agreed to upload this in for all the information necessary to the app by 6 p.m. on Wednesday, September the 15th. So that will be their sole means of communication.
All right.
And the issue of retroactive child support will be reserved for the final hearing.
Okay.
And I believe that concludes my understanding of the parties' agreement.
Mr. Pirtle, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Hathcote, let me ask you, ma'am, is that in fact the agreement you're making today?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you believe it's in the best interest of Taylor Ray?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. McClendon, is that in fact the agreement you're making today?
Yes, Your Honor.
You believe it's also in Taylor Ray's best interest?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then I'm approving that agreement. I'll be anxious to hear you all report back on how that app has worked for you. And when we come back for a final hearing, possibly we won't need a hearing, may be able to work something out, but we're certainly going to schedule it so that you have some advance notice. How far out are we looking?
I would suggest after Christmas, really. So everything just gets so squished together here at these holidays.
That would give them enough school time to, and Taylor Ray is in school. Is she?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, let's look at January. How about February 7th?
That's a good date.
Mrs. Estrada, do you have, that would be our normal Pampa date in February.
That would be great. And will it be via Zoom as well?
Okay. And we'll get the time set later. and you should get a notice in the mail again. And I anticipate we will probably be appearing by Zoom even at that hearing. I'm going to try to continue my hearings by Zoom just for the convenience of everybody. All right. Mrs. Estrada, are you going to prepare the order for my signature?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And if you would run it by Ms. Pirtle, Mr. Pirtle before you send it on to me to sign, okay?
Yes,
All right.
ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you all for your willingness to be flexible today and for all of your efforts to work things out. We will see you in a few months.
Thank you, Judge.
Good luck to you
Thank
and your
you.
family. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh. And Ms. Hathcote, you may hang up. Thank you again, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ms. Estrada, is Taylor Ray a boy or a girl?
I kept saying she and no one corrected me. So let me see.
Okay. I would
You know, that
Ray
could-
too, just maybe because of the way it's spelled, but okay.
That's what I was thinking, but let me see. We should have that noted. I was going by the way it's spelled, but you don't ever know anymore.
No, that's true. All right. Thank you so much, Ms. Estrada. You have a good week.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.